Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean out your Dyson attachments and detangle them. So we got a few different ones here. We got the hard floor, like your tile and your hardwood and laminate, and then this one's your carpet, and then this one's your upholstery and your stairs. So the only things we're going to need are a small pair of scissors, flat edge screwdriver. If you don't have one, you can use a coin, like a quarter, and a cloth. So depending on the attachment, this one, the carpet one, if you look at it, you can fit a coin right there. I'm just going to use my flat edge screwdriver, twist it to loosen it, and it pops out. You just twist it till it doesn't twist anymore. And I like to just take my cloth. If there's any hair on it that's tangled up, you just take your scissors. I'll show you on the upholstery one in a sec. This one's actually not too bad because I don't use it that often. And then I'm just going to wipe out in here. Try and get your cloth in there. Alright, when you're done that, and it's clean enough for your satisfaction, we're just going to put it back together. So the open end is going to go first. Twist it to lock it in place. That's your carpet one done. Now this is the hard floor one. So that screw is on the bottom here. So this one you'll need a flat edge or a very small coin. Twist it like that. And then you see on the side, there's an arrow pointing down. This just pops down like that. Your little roller comes off here. This comes out. And then same thing, you can get rid of any dirt inside. Use your little scissors here. I'm not going to get this perfectly clean on camera. I'm just going to show you real quick. So there's some hair in there. I'm just going to cut it out. Give it a quick wipe. You can be more thorough yourself. And then you're going to take your roller here and you're going to slide it back on again. Open side goes first. Put your roller here. So that open side, there's an open side and then a spinning part here. Open side goes first. And that spinning part sits in there. Clip it together like that. Twist. That's all done. Now this one's similar to the carpet one. So you can see there's tons of hair in there. Twist. Cap comes off. Pull that out. It's fairly clean in there. If you want to wipe it, that's fine. Take your scissors. Detangle as much as you can. Again, I'm not going to be absolutely perfect, just so you get the idea. Now, if you look at it, you have this open side, and it's kind of got some ribs inside there. That goes on this spiral piece. Give it a little light spin while you're pushing it in. So make sure on your outside you have this side here. That attaches to here. Put your cap back on, push it into place. Lock it. Then you're all good. And that's that one done. So hopefully you found this helpful, everyone. And as always, please like and subscribe.